Introducing Softaken Email Address Checker, the smart way to validate your email lists and boost your campaign performance. This powerful tool is built for businesses, marketers, developers, and data analysts who rely on clean, accurate, and deliverable email addresses. With a modern interface and industry-grade validation algorithms, it ensures your emails reach the right inbox. Why validate your emails? Protect your sender reputation. Improve email deliverability. Cut marketing costs. And get better analytics with clean data. Whether you're an email marketer, a business owner, a developer, or part of a marketing agency, Softaken Email Address Checker is tailored to meet your email validation needs. Let's take a look at the powerful validation features packed inside. Syntax validation checks format and RFC compliance. Domain validation confirms domain existence and MX records. SMTP validation connects to mail servers in real time. Email existence check verifies if the address really exists. Getting started with Email Checker Demo. Step 1. Launch the application. Just double-click or run via command line start. Step 2. Download sample files. Click Download Sample to get demo CSV and TXT files. Step 3. Choose your file. Click Choose File and select your email list. The app auto-loads and counts emails. Step 4. Start validating. Hit Validate Emails. The free demo checks up to 10 emails with live progress. Step 5. Review results. View full validation details like syntax, domain, and deliverability status. Step 6. Export results. Click Export to CSV to save your cleaned list. Every email is clearly marked, valid or invalid, with full transparency on deliverability status. Ready to clean up your email list and maximize your outreach? Download Softaken Email Address Checker today and send with confidence. Softaken, smart tools for smarter communication.